Hello, welcome along to our channel. Today we're installing vertical rear strips. The strips we're installing today will be the black with the red LED lights in them. The lights also come available in chrome with smoked lens, and also come available with chrome and a clear lens. All of these products are available on our site at www.shinywing.com, and we will put links down below in the descriptions to all the various products. Now we will start installing these strips onto the bike, and first thing we need to do is remove this back panel. You have 2 screws under there, 2 screws up there that we've already replaced. Removed, sorry. Disconnect the license plate light. Now we already have the harness already installed, but if you haven't already got one installed, you will need the Kirakin harness to install the extra lights. Now, we've already cleaned down the bike earlier, but just give it a wipe. Line them up just to get an idea of what you're doing, because they do be quite sticky. Just make sure they're right. Remove the backing. So we remove the backing, the tape. And before I stick them on, I give them a blast of the heat gun. It activates the glue. Now you could always use a hairdryer or anything like that has a bit of heat. That's that one done. Of your harness, plug that into your spare socket here. Then you have your 3 What I do now is just tidy up all the wiring. Once you have all your wiring sorted out, what you do then is just check, make sure all the lights are working as they should. So we have our running lights and our brake lights. Now we can start putting the bike back together. tighten up your the 4 screws. And that's the lights finished. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you can press subscribe and like down below, we'd appreciate that. Safe riding and see you soon.